Hello, welcome to my nature show. Today we'll be talking about the Western red cedar. Would you like to know more about it? Anyway, this is a Western red cedar, I think. I mean, it's like a normal tree. It's popular where it is used for longhouses, canoes, paddles, longhouses, I already read that. Baskets, eating, and utensils, rope. It's just wood. You can like build wood stuff out of it. Yeah, anyway, let's continue. These are probably Western red cedars. I mean, I am the expert here, so I know. That's a log. That happens sometimes. You may be thinking, oh, that looks like a saw cut it. It's actually all natural combustion that broke it. The forest diversity, am I right? Diverse. Lots of black and white trees out here. This is the Columbia River. Yeah, you guys thought it was a lot bigger. So that makes that Oregon actually. Yeah, that's Oregon. We don't like going to Oregon. They smoke weed there. I mean, we smoke weed here too. They smoke it a lot.
I am younger, yet smarter.